Getting your baby to sleep can be a challenge, but there are several tips that can help create a better sleep routine for your little one. Keep in mind that every baby is different, so it may take some trial and error to find what works best for your child. Here are 5 tips to help your baby sleep. Establish a consistent bedtime routine. Create a soothing and predictable bedtime routine that signals to your baby that it's time to sleep. This might include activities like a warm bath, gentle massage, reading a book, or singing a lullaby. Consistency is key, as babies thrive on routines. Create a comfortable sleep environment. Ensure that your baby's sleep environment is safe and comfortable. Use a firm crib mattress with a fitted sheet and keep the room at a comfortable temperature. You can use a sleep sack or swaddle to keep your baby cozy. Pay attention to sleep cues. Learn to recognize your baby's sleep cues, such as eye rubbing, yawning, fussiness, or decreased activity. These signs indicate that your baby is getting tired, and it's a good time to put them down for a nap or bedtime before they become overtired. Practice safe sleep guidelines. Follow safe sleep guidelines recommended by healthcare professionals. This includes placing your baby on their back to sleep, using a pacifier during naps and bedtime, and avoiding the use of pillows, bumper pads, or heavy blankets in the crib. Avoid overstimulation before bed. Try to avoid stimulating activities right before bedtime. This includes playing with noisy toys, watching TV, or engaging in active play. Instead, opt for calming and soothing activities during the bedtime routine to help your baby relax. Remember that every baby is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. It may take some trial and error to find the best sleep routine for your baby. Be patient and consult with your pediatrician if you have concerns about your baby's sleep patterns or if you suspect any sleep-related issues.